Few things make a home feel less comfortable than a persistent draft. Even small air leaks around windows can create cold spots, uneven temperatures, and rising energy use. While many homeowners focus on insulation or heating systems, windows play a critical role in maintaining indoor comfort. When designed and installed correctly, bow windows can actually help reduce drafts while enhancing natural light and style. For homeowners in Washington, properly installed bow windows offer both beauty and improved performance. Understanding why drafts happen. Drafts often develop when window frames shift, seals weaken, or installation gaps form over time. In Washington homes, older windows may no longer sit tightly within the wall opening. Even small openings around the perimeter allow outside air to enter and conditioned air to escape. This creates discomfort and places extra strain on indoor systems. The importance of professional installation. Bow windows are unique because they extend outward from the home in a gentle curve. Their multi-panel design requires careful structural preparation. Proper installation in Washington ensures that the window is level, square, and securely anchored. When installed correctly, bow windows press firmly into place and form a tight seal against the surrounding frame. Compression seals for better insulation. Modern bow windows are engineered with advanced sealing systems. In Washington residences, these compression seals help eliminate gaps where air might otherwise leak through. The result is a noticeable reduction in drafts and improved indoor temperature consistency. Reinforced framing and support. Because bow windows project outward, they require strong structural support. Professional installers in Washington ensure that the surrounding framing is reinforced as needed. This stability prevents shifting over time, which helps maintain an airtight fit and reduce the risk of future air leaks. High-performance glass matters. Draft reduction is not just about the frame, it also depends on the glass. Modern bow windows often include multi-pane glass with insulating features. In Washington homes, this advanced glazing helps minimize heat transfer while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Eliminating gaps around the perimeter. One of the most common causes of drafts is improper sealing around the window edges. During professional installation in Washington, installers use high-quality insulation and sealing materials to close these gaps. This step is essential for long-term performance. Supporting year-round comfort. When drafts are reduced, rooms feel more balanced and comfortable. Washington homeowners who upgrade to properly installed bow windows often notice fewer cold spots near seating areas and more stable indoor temperatures throughout the day. Protecting against moisture intrusion. Air leaks and moisture often go hand in hand. By eliminating drafts through proper installation, Washington residents also reduce the likelihood of moisture entering around the frame, helping protect surrounding walls and finishes. Long-term energy benefits. Reduced drafts contribute to smoother indoor system performance. Washington homeowners benefit from consistent comfort without the need for constant adjustments to heating or cooling systems. A beautiful solution that performs. Bow windows are often chosen for their elegance and expanded views, but they also offer meaningful performance benefits. For homeowners in Washington, properly installed bow windows provide a combination of architectural beauty and draft reduction. With reinforced framing, tight compression seals, and professional installation, these windows help maintain comfortable, consistent indoor environments. By addressing drafts at the source, bow windows become both a stylish upgrade and a practical solution for year-round comfort.